Hey my roses, what's up? I've been breaking out on my chin and I'm like, is it because I recently hired my dosage of acne pills, so I'm like, maybe it's like clearing out the, you know, kind of like, apparently when you do like acne pills you purge in the beginning, and I'm thinking because I hired my dosage, it's pulling out like the toxics that are still left. Okay, so I wanted to say that so I started to do this thing. It's called, keep forgetting how it's pronounced, Rakuten. Anyways, I've been doing it for a minute. So basically, like when you shop, you just shop on this platform. Like they have so many different, I'm not sponsored, I'm just trying to like save some money and make some money, you know what I'm saying? I realize like I'm shopping a lot and I'm like, I should just sign up for this and like try to make some money back. So basically, I'm gonna put my referral link in the description, okay? So if you're planning on doing it, basically you say like you're ordering from Sephora, or like you get the app and you check if they have the store you're ordering from. They have like Sephora. I ordered from I bought my mom Crocs for her birthday. Use that and you get like, think about like influencers who get commission. Rakuten gets commission, but they like split it with you if you use their site, you get it? So anyways, I've been using that and I found out that they have like a referral code where you would get $30 and I would get $30, and I'm like, sign up using my link please. No, but for real, if you decide to sign up, come on, use my link in the description. Anyways, I got my first check. It's only $13.20. You could put direct deposits, but I was like, you know what, mail me a check. Oh yeah, okay, this is a coincidence, but I'm finally like, I just feel so accomplished. I'm a product finisher. I bought this collagen a minute ago, okay, like for real, like maybe 3 months ago. I also did use Rakuten because I got it at well.ca and they accept Rakuten, like it's on it, so like I did save low-key. But anyways, and I used it again when I refilled. And by the way, it's collagen, and I heard marine collagen is best. But overall, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. By the way, I got a full-length mirror. I'll show you in a minute when I put pants on. And I'm like, because like in my inner thighs, I feel like when I lost a few pounds, kind of like started to like sag a little. And you know, I don't know if it's like a placebo effect or like it's in my head. So yeah, I feel like it's kind of like not there no more that much. Also, I'm like, is it the way I place my legs? I don't know, but it's looking a little better. I'm like, is it the collagen helping? I don't know. Is the collagen doing this to my skin? I don't know, but I'm gonna stick by it. I bought this full-length mirror really because I just wanted to look at myself from head to toe. I wanted to be able to see myself fully and say, okay, you know what, I like to critique myself. I know it's not the best, but like right here I'm like, okay, you gotta work on your back foot. Michael keeps telling me you have to turn it, but I don't get it.
Shoot it towards me.
Bitch, try with me, I'm doing some damage.
The ball.
Oh my goodness, I'm a lady. So this was fun bonding time.
Anywho,
I just want to say, Michael complained about that shirt 5 years ago when I made it for him, and now what?
I don't like it.
Now what? Guys, so I was telling Michael that like when I lose hella weight, I think I would become a runner. Like, look.
Oh gosh.
And he's like, oh, you're gonna hurt yourself. I'm like, bro, you know who you're talking about? I've been playing in the streets since I'm a kid.
Your calcium is very low. Your bones as a result is weak.
First of all, why is my calcium low?
You don't drink milk and you're exhausted off one step.
Okay, but look.
Okay, please, stop.
I could be a runner.
Do that once over the block.
Look.
Anyways.
Be a runner.
Your running form doesn't even make sense. It's not even a good form.
See?
That's not even good.
You're jealous. Like, he thinks I'm fragile. I've been doing this. Anyway, I'm gonna head out.
I hope so.
You want corn?
No.
You're sure?
I'm actually really sure. I don't like corn.
I watched the footage of me running. I want to race you.
You're not doing this.
Why can't we race? I'll put my running shoes.
You're cringe.
I say go. Go. I'll get there, guys. I'm gonna be a runner. Give me like 2 years. Okay, guys, so I saw this cute recipe on like TikTok about making like Caribbean corn or something. I'm gonna try to do it because, ew, like lately I feel like, first of all, I'm peeling my corn. Lately I'm feeling kind of like disgusted after I eat. Like, I feel like I'm eating too much like heavy stuff, and I'm trying to eat more like greens. Oh yeah, like I ate a gyro, this like, and then I feel like sick. Like, then I ate like chicken wings, and then I still feel kind of like, ugh. Like, I want to eat stuff more like refreshing. I don't want to feel like after, you know what I mean? And then I saw this recipe like where you boil it. I think it's Caribbean, correct me if I'm wrong. You boil it in coconut milk. She mixes a little bit of water. I remember when I was in elementary, we used to have corn day and we would peel our own corn. Oh yeah, so I'm trying to like cook more low-key. Well, like I always cook my own stuff, but I'm trying to expand my cooking because I kind of want to make like my own like recipe book for like my house kind of vibe, you know what I mean? Like recipes I like, and when I'm a mother and a wife, I could go in the recipe book and be like, let's make this tonight. Okay, so I washed my corn and cut them. Now the girl, she said she seasoned them with pepper and salt. This is not like the main seasoning, guys, relax. So I put the seasonings I wanted. So this is what the corn looks like. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks really nice and like buttery. So I'm about to try the corn. It's really good. Is this where the party's at? What?
She better not be going to get her camera. She better go get the phone and call auntie.
Okay, so when I don't vlog, it's an issue. Now that I'm putting effort, it's an issue.
Wait, without us, you have no show, Mike. Tell her. Mike.
He's quiet, huh? You're quiet. Someone comment that Jayla.
What's the name?
Relax. Someone said Jayla is the new Michael.
What's her name?
But she likes you better than Michael.
But I don't care. What's her name? Listen here. There's no new Michael. There's no new nothing. I'm me, and that's it. What, ugly right now?
Do you want to see yourself?
Yeah.
God, she is Michael. I told Michael he's been recasted.
No. I'm changing my. I'm nice. I'm changing my whole persona. I promise you. I don't even want to talk about it.
Why you so stressed?
I'm fine. I'm never like commenting on anything anymore.
Jayla, don't get the
Why?
hate to you, bro.
No,
Be the
then what,
real
I'm
you.
the villain?
There always needs to
Show
be
me.
a villain in every story.
Show me. I want to see what I look like.
You look like Sonic.
But I don't understand, bro.
Okay, ignore my hair looks hella greasy. I'm about to go shower. But I got my Amazon packages, so I needed one of these. It kind of has like that, so I'm able to like, I want to do this once a week, every Sundays. And then another thing, I don't know if you guys remember, I used to always talk about how I feel like my lashes are growing with my lash serum. I like the lash serum tube looked a little ugh, so I threw it and I wanted a new one, but I had no new ones because I gave them all out. But I saw these cute ones on Amazon. So this is actually the hair oil one I got. It's rosemary black castor oil. And then this is the eyelash and eyebrow one I got. I use this one, as you can see, like it's not full. The only thing so annoying about these tubes, they didn't come with a funnel. I feel like I could get this. Ooh, okay, guys, so
Oh, fuck.
I want to show.
I can film you too.
Anyway, so Michael, guys, got hurt at rugby. We spent 10 hours at the hospital with him. Open it till we go.
Huh?
Oh.
Okay, that's not even the worst part. Can I see myself? Because I might be looking hella bad right now. Yeah, guys. You know me. I'm actually vlogging.
But the dishes have to be done.
Offer.
Yeah, funny. But I actually got a nice beard on camera right now, you know what I'm saying? But guys, I'm talking to the roses.
I want to zoom in your stitches.
But that's not...
Okay,
open
what?
The camera. Open the camera. Guys, should I go bald? Not bald, but
I think Michael should get a buzz cut and keep the beard.
Should I? Because I look in my... So, because like even right now, thinking about the beard, just no hair would be fire a little bit. So, we'll see. But you know me, playing rugby and shit. You know obesity is obese.
I hope you guys heard that, because Michael was like, you're obese, you're obese, you're obese, you're obese. Okay, clearly you're not obese on the court, or that wouldn't have happened, huh?
What?
Mic drop.
Oh, that's quite fire for a skinny one.